Hello beautiful people and welcome back to Glammegal, and today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this daytime appropriate subtle smoky eye makeup look and base makeup that is appropriate for dry skin during these winter months. So let's get this video started, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. So let's begin. First off, I'm going to use a very hydrating moisturizer. I'm going to list down all the products below, so don't worry. Uh, just apply your favorite moisturizer. Make sure it is hydrating and moisturizing enough for the winter months. And then I went ahead and applied one more primer. That was also a hydrating primer. And for an extra like dewy, glowy look, I'm applying a liquid highlighter. This one is from Makeup Revolution, and after that I'm just going to apply a foundation. So this foundation has like light to maximum medium coverage because I just want that glow to be there. So I'm not going to apply like a full coverage foundation, and I'm just going to spread the foundation with a brush first, and then I'm going to use my white sheet blender and I'm going to blend the foundation. Then I'm using this NYX concealer palette, and on a synthetic brush I'm using this darker concealer like color for color correcting under my eyes. And after that I'm going to use this pack spotlight concealer to highlight and also conceal a little bit more under my eyes, and the usual places like center of forehead, nose, chin. And again I'm using the white sheet blender to blend it all away. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to move on with contouring. Beginning with contouring my nose first, I'm using this pencil style, like crayon style. One from This one is from NYX, and I'm using the same brush that I used for applying my concealer to kind of blend it away. And once that is done, I'm going to take the darker concealer from the same palette, and I'm using the same brush, and I'm just going to apply a contour wherever I want, and then I'm going to use a bigger brush to kind of blend it away. This brush is from Makeup Geek, and I think it is their foundation brush or contour brush, I'm not sure. Again, I'll find everything and link it below, and I'm going to just basically blend it away. Next, I'm using this concealer. This is Bright Ideas, Illuminating Ideas, something something from NYX. And once I've applied that, I'm going to kind of double up the blush just to get like more soft, rosy, pinky cheeks. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and apply my highlighter. I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and I'm just going to apply it wherever I highlighted. Like you can see, even on the forehead, I'm going because I just want like a very dewy and fresh look. And I'm going to set the contour with the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer very lightly. I'm not going very heavy with the bronzing, and I'm just going to move ahead to the eyebrows using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows and clean up using the concealer. This one is Supra Concealer from Krylon, and I'm going to set my prime my eyes as well using the Soft Glam Palette. I'm using the lightest color in the palette to kind of set the concealer in place, since it is going to be a very light look. Then I'm taking the shade Dusty Rose on a white sheet blending brush, and I'm just going to apply that. And a quick tip is to slightly tilt your head back to see if your blending is smooth in your crease area. And then I'm just cutting the crease. You need not do that. I just wanted a little bit of a cleaner look, so I just did a little bit of half cut crease. And once that is done, I'm going to set it with the first color that I used, and I'm going to deepen up the outer part of my lid using a black eyeshadow. And then I'm using my Inglot eyeliner to kind of give a subtle wing. And then we're going to go ahead on the lower lash line. Again, I'm using the Dusty Rose shade on the lower lash line on a pencil brush, and then on a smudger brush I'm using the black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply some mascara and apply eyelashes. And once that is done, I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip liner from Miss Claire, and I'm using a Pat McGrath lipstick. This is their Velvet Matte Lipstick, and I'm going to apply that. I absolutely love this lipstick. It is so pretty on the lips. I think I'm going to buy a full size of this lipstick, you guys. And yeah, this is the finished look. I really liked how my makeup turned out. I hope you all liked it too. And thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.